Welcome students. This is the continuation of health and hygiene chapter. In this class we are going to learn about diseases. Diseases. A disease is a functional or physical change from a normal state that affects the health of a person by causing disability or discomfort. So what is a disease? A disease is the functional or physical change from a normal state. So it affects a person by causing disability or discomfort. The following are the conditions that could lead to the development of disease in an individual. First one is infection caused by disease causing microbes. Second one, lack of balanced diet. Third one, poor lifestyle and unhealthy habits. Then malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs. So these are the conditions that could lead to the development of disease. Infection caused by microbes, lack of balanced diet, poor lifestyle and unhealthy habits, then malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs. The prevention and treatment of diseases can be considered into two groups for their better understanding. They are communicable and non-communicable disease. What are communicable diseases? Communicable diseases are those diseases that spread from one person to another. So these diseases spread from one person to another. Healthy persons must be protected from people with communicable diseases because these diseases are spread from one person to another. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. Insects and other animals are called vectors. So these communicable diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors like insects and other animals. So now we are going to learn about diseases caused by bacteria. What are the diseases caused by bacteria like tuberculosis, cholera and typhoid, which are caused by microbes and spread through air, water and some other organisms also. So these are communicable diseases because these diseases are spread through air, water and some other organisms. So communicable diseases are tuberculosis, cholera and typhoid. First one, tuberculosis. So tuberculosis, TB, is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis and spreads from one person to another person through air, spitting, prolonged contact and sharing materials of the patient. So tuberculosis is also known as TB. It is caused by the bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and this disease spreads from one person to another person through air, by spitting and prolonged contact with the sharing materials of the patient. So what are the symptoms of tuberculosis? They are fever, weight loss, chronic cough, bloody spitting and difficulty in breathing. So these are the symptoms of tuberculosis: fever, weight loss, cough and bloody spitting, then difficulty in breathing. How to prevent and what are the treatment for this disease? Prevention and treatment: BCG vaccination, then giving special attention to the patient, and regular medication like DOT, DOT. So next disease is cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae and spread through the consumption of contaminated food or water. So when we consume the contaminated food or water, we are affected by this disease. The symptoms of cholera is vomiting, severe diarrhea and cramps in legs, pain in legs. So these are the symptoms: vomiting, severe diarrhea and cramps in legs. So this cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae and spread through the consumption contaminated food or water. Prevention and treatment of cholera. Good hygienic practices like washing hands before eating, avoid eating uncovered food from street vendors, drinking boiled water, getting vaccination against cholera. So these are the preventive measures. Next, communicable diseases. Typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi and spreads by contaminated food and water. The symptoms are anorexia, headache, rashes on abdomen, dysentery and high fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. So typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. So these are communicable diseases spread through the contaminated air, water, food and other organisms. Prevention and treatment. Drinking boiled clean water, proper disposal of sewage and vaccination. So communicable diseases are spread from one person to another. So healthy persons must be protected from people with communicable diseases. So these diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food and insects and other animals. So example for communicable diseases are tuberculosis, cholera and typhoid. So these diseases are caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis and the cholera is caused by the bacteria Vibrio cholerae and the typhoid is caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi. So to prevent these disease, we must follow the instructions that are drinking boiled clean water, avoid eating uncovered food from street vendors, then good hygienic practices like washing hands before eating, then vaccination is one of the preventive measure. So students, hope you all understood about communicable diseases like typhoid, cholera and tuberculosis. Thank you.